Good morning. It's the 16th of March. I'm going to try our Zino with our 7-inch tablet. A little piece of wood and our GoPro accessories. And we're going to see if it works. Yesterday I made an adapter for the FIMI X8 SE. And I put little grooves in here so when the FIMI collapses onto it, it won't come out. And then I decided to make a point on each side so it'll fit in the Zino. And today's flight I did with the Zino, I did with this adapter, and it'll hold up to a 10-inch tablet. And this is a 7-inch tablet. It's a cheapie, it's a $40 Tech-Last. And you just put it in there and lock it in. And it's not going anywhere. And we put it in. Put it in that. There we go. And it's not going anywhere. It's secure. And I use OTG adapter. Plug that into the controller, that into the tablet. Works great. It's not going anywhere, and you can fly really easy. If you had an iPad mini, it'd be a lot brighter than this, but this works just great. And do an automatic takeoff and see what happens. Up it goes, and down it goes. Not as bad. Yeah, controller works fine. Let's go back a bit. And face this way a bit. And we'll come down. Yeah, I've probably got the gimbal set a little too hard. Anyway, let's come down a bit. Go this way a bit. Come down. Turn it a little bit. This way. Okay, so here we are. We've got this controller. And we're going to start the video. Start the video. Let's go up and back a bit. And we're up about 15 meters or so. Go back. And I forgot to check what the video was, but we'll see, because with the Zino, you get a small file as well, which is great for editing. So turn around. It's a little breezy up there. And we'll go down the road. See if we can get some out of the shade here. Okay, let's go up a bit. There we go. Okay. Let's go down the road a bit. Let's find that road. Here's the road. It's a lot easier to see on this 7-inch screen. But with the sunlight, it's really bright. I mean, it's really hard to see. Let's come do a circle. I think it's coming back. There we go. Yeah, the sticks are a little sensitive, but you just got to be careful with them, that's all. To the right. And let's go circle. Fast circle. Be interesting to see what the elevations are on these. Stop there for a minute. Let's see, we got 23 meters. Let's go up. What do we got there? 97. Okay. Yes, I think that was a 40%. Okay, let's bring her down again. When we get down, I'm gonna switch the gimbal if I can. I don't think well, yeah, the map will work, I think. It's coming down 55. Oh, finally, we get a little bit of overcast. We can actually see the screen. "24 meters. Should be pointing at me somewhere. Okay, let's see if I can gimbal. No, it says 20%, 10%, 15%. Good enough. Okay, let's go down. No, it doesn't change anything on this one. Tablet. So anyway, let's come down. Okay, this is full down on the gimbal. And full up on the gimbal. And we're going to change it again to 8%. There we go. And we go full down. Might be a bit better. We're down at 35%. And full up. Might be a bit better. A little bit laggy on the screen here because after all, this is a $40 tablet. And it's a P89H Tech Clasp T-Pad. And the fact that it's not really super bright is about the only thing that seems to be working so far. and I'm taking screen recording. So let's have a look at the water tower. Oops, water tower. And go up. Yeah, go up. I'll tell you, I don't have a problem with this. It's a very nice day. It's about 7-8 degrees Celsius. And it crab walks a little bit, but hey, I understand it's coming down in price to about under $300 US, so that's pretty good. We're down at 28%. Let's see if we can take a picture here. So let's stop the video. Stop the video and switch over and take a picture. Picture taken. Turn it around a bit. And we'll take a picture. We'll go back to video. So back to video. And we're down to 25%. It's up there. And it's flying. I've got no complaints so far. Let's bring it down and see what it's like when it gets down below 5 meters. There it goes. Let's see if we can just go straight and see if it continues to go straight. Does it drop altitude? What do you think? Does it turn to the right? Okay. And we'll do a return to home from there and see where it lands. Auto return to home, turns around, and it comes back. So let's adjust the gimbal down a bit. Yeah, it's pretty good at 8%. So here it comes back at 25 meters. Get ready to stop that auto. It should be all right. It's right above me. We know where it took off. It's coming down slowly. It's going to miss the house anyway. Yeah, right about the 5 meter mark. And it lands. And turns off. And turns off the video. No, it doesn't. I have to turn the video off. Okay, I turned the video off. We're down to 21%. And I think that's a pretty good flight. And it took off from here. So we're about a meter away. And can't complain. That's pretty good. And that's it. Thank you. And this is another close-up of my little doohickey. And it fits in there really solidly. The way I shaped it. Just a piece of wood. MDF. There you go.